Did you know that poor software quality is costing the US economy over $2 trillion every single year? And it is a massive problem that modern enterprises simply cannot afford to ignore. Engineering teams are struggling to keep up, scripts break, maintenance piles up, and releases start to crawl. But this is where AI is actually changing the game. And I'm not just talking about making scripts a little better, I'm talking about moving beyond them entirely. Imagine if, instead of writing every single step-by-step instruction, you just defined what needs to be validated. AI agents take it from there. They explore, adapt, and execute. Exactly like a real human user would. You can create tests in plain English. They self-heal automatically when the UI changes, and they run at a scale that just wasn't possible before. The best part? Testing isn't stuck in a silo anymore. Whether it's web, mobile, APIs, or complex enterprise systems, everything connects into one continuous flow. The impact is pretty clear: faster releases, more consistent results, and way less time spent on maintenance. This also shifts the whole role of QA. You're no longer just the person who runs the tests. You're the architect. You design the system where AI handles the heavy lifting, so you can focus on the big picture strategy and risk. Platforms like Qyrus are already making this a reality. They're bringing together agentic orchestration and visual workflows all in one place. Looking ahead, testing isn't a separate phase anymore. It's continuous, adaptive, and built right into how software evolves. So, at this point, the real question isn't if you should adopt AI in testing, it's how fast you can get there. If you're ready to see what that shift actually looks like, come explore how AI is redefining quality engineering.